viewers, welcome back again to our channel. Today's video is going to be an interesting one.
You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
But before I take you through, if this is your first time viewing our channel, thanks so much for stopping by. Please do consider subscribing. My name is Kamsi in Kamsi Space. I am my mom. We make videos on food recipes, vlogs, and lifestyle. So let's get started. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So let's go. The first thing you do before you start cooking is washing the hands. So, about the interesting video, Nigerian Buns. Whenever my mom gets it, I take the most of it. So I'm going to walk you through on how to make it today. First, sift the flour into another bowl. I'm using 2.5 cups of flour. Now add all the dry ingredients. 2 tablespoons of sugar, pinch of salt, half teaspoon of baking powder, and half teaspoon of nutmeg powder. Now mix with a spatula. Now add the butter and mix until it forms crumbs. Now add the egg and milk. Add 1 tablespoon of milk. Now mix together until it forms a thick and stretchy batter. Now add water bit by bit and mix. Mix very well until you get your desired consistency. This is what I want. You see, it has formed a dough. See, it has formed a dough. Now I have to put the pan on heat. In a dry pan, put the quantity of vegetable oil you're going to use and allow to heat up. While the pan is on heat, I have to mold the dough into small balls. I'm going to mold it smooth and also rough. Now it's time to mold the rough ones because my mom loves the Kamsi one. Anytime she eats it, it always makes this sound. I know she'll be enjoying it. The oil is hot enough. Now carefully drop the butter, but don't overcrowd the oil. Reduce the heat and fry the buns until it's golden brown or well done. Please make sure you watch this video to the end. Frying buns can be interesting. Who likes buns as much as I do? Please come and join me. Frying buns can be so interesting. Please make sure you watch the video to the end. See viewers, the buns is ready. Oh yeah! I know you really like this video, so give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, like and share. Remember to leave the bell icon on so you're notified when next post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!